How to use find and replace function in Word. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to use find and replace function in Word. First, open your Word document where you want to make changes. Then, click on Replace in the top right corner of the toolbar. Here, you will see two fields, Find What and Replace With. In the Find What field, enter the text you want to find. Next, in the Replace With field, type the text you want to replace it with. Then, click on Replace All to replace all occurrences of the text in your document. You will see a confirmation message indicating how many replacements were made. If you want to replace occurrences one at a time, click on Replace instead of Replace All. Here, you can enter the text in both the Find What and Replace With fields. Click on Replace to change each occurrence individually. Once you're done, you can use the navigation feature to search for the text and verify that all replacements were made accurately. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.